Hello, everybody. Welcome back to SV Handmaids. It's a long time I did crafting with my Cricut machine. So today's project is going to be this T-shirt. So this is my Cricut machine, which helps me in cutting out, and this is the vinyl which we use for making our design. So before we begin, do subscribe to my channel. Please like and comment if you like this project of mine. So my son is a big fan of Tesla cars. So I thought, let me make a t-shirt for him as my first trial. So this is my first t-shirt. So using my machine, I cut out this logo along with the words there. So the process of cutting out I already did. And this is a t-shirt I got from Michaels. It's a Gildan brand of t-shirts which come in plain, multicolors are available. So I got this black for him. So, and also we need the parchment paper. So this helps to protect our iron just to be safe in case. So before we actually start the project, we have to iron our t-shirt and make it nice and warm. We have to preheat the fabric. So I ironed it well, made sure the fabric is hot. Once you feel enough heat on the fabric, then you can place your cut out iron on vinyl onto the fabric. Need not iron the whole t-shirt, just the place where you're going to place your design. So now my fabric is preheated. We will try placing our cutout logo onto the t-shirt. So you can adjust the placement, center it. Make sure there are no wrinkles on the t-shirt and it's nice and flat. You can even use your scale to measure and place it exactly in the center, or you can just eyeball it. So when I was removing the cutout from the carrier sheet, actually I accidentally ripped up the bottom portion. So it's a little hard for me. So I guess I'm going to remove off the words so that is easier for me to manage it. I wanted to try out a smaller design, but he was so mad after this logo, so I had to try this as my first project. So once you're satisfied with the placement, now take your parchment paper and lay it on top of your design. Now on the heat setting of your iron should be on cotton because our t-shirt is a cotton fabric, and with even pressure give a 30-second heat on top of your vinyl. So don't keep for a longer time. 30 seconds should be enough. So since our design is big, so I have to do it in batches. So 30 seconds on the top, and then for the bottom portion, I again placed it for another 30 seconds. Make sure you give even pressure, otherwise, the place where the heat is not enough, it's not going to stick well. So I think this is good. So let's see how our vinyl has stuck. Wow, this is so easy. I like this peeling off. Still, I was a little doubtful, so I thought I'll give one more quick iron. Okay, now I'm ready to peel off. Wow, this is coming off like a charm. I'm loving this. Doesn't it look pretty? Success. Okay, it's still, it'll be a little hot, so you have to handle it carefully. Now I will place my words down. So you can compare it with the neckline so that it's exactly at the center, or you can even use your scale to measure the sides. From the seam, you can measure till the stickers. So I think I will use my scale to double check if it's the right place. So I have about 4.5. Let me check the other side. So probably I have to move it slightly. Now this looks fine. Okay. Now place the parchment paper on top of it again, and we follow the 30 seconds rule. And since my wordings are bigger than my iron, so I have to do it in two batches. Just to be double sure, I'm just going over the words again because it has got a lot of small parts, so I don't want anything to peel off later. Okay, it looks good. Now let's peel this. I like this peeling part. Wow, I love this a lot. It's come out perfect. Now let me turn this inside out, and I'm going to iron on the reverse too. Okay, let me turn this on the other side. Now you take your parchment paper and insert it inside the t-shirt. Usually this is done using a separate machine called the Easy Press, which comes with a cushion to do this. So I'm going to try this thing with my home iron. It's all the same. Only thing is the Easy Press will be easier to do, and it gives even pressure and heat on the fabric to give a professional work. So make sure there are no wrinkles. Spread out the parchment paper inside evenly, and now we are going to iron on the place where there is the design. I haven't explored much with my Cricut machine, so this is the second type of crafting that I'm doing with this. So hope you like my t-shirt. Keep watching my channel. So very soon I will come up with another design and the same kind of t-shirt. Let's see what design I'm going to make. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.